I'm certain that they're aware of, what lenses and telescopes are available for public consumption. It wouldn't surprise me at all to know that they have every spec in what's possible. I have to agree with Rich. The first time I looked at this, I thought, man, they are brazen. Here this thing is just sitting out there. It's clearly not part of the environment, from shape to color, probably texture too if you were able to get close enough. But, initially, again, my thought was, this is just out in the open, and they made no attempt to cover it up or, conceal it in any way, knowing that there is a possibility that somebody could see it. I mean, there are many amateur astronomers out there and people who watch the moon on a nightly basis, and, they're taking very strict notes. So, this is interesting, looking at this. First, we see it's a red ball object in the middle of this crater, which has some sort of base underneath it. And when I was looking at it out of the corner of my eye there at the first, I thought maybe this is some sort of radar dish, and realized that there was a shadow being casted over the crater, but still can't rule out the possibility that something like that might be underneath. That ball kind of reminds me of the top of a transmitter. I know I've used that word a lot lately, but that's what I've been seeing. So, if this was ours, again, we didn't do a good job covering it up. So it lends to the possibility that maybe this is something else, that it came from somewhere else. Now, again, there's a lot of speculation in perhaps where the moon might have originated from. Some people are convinced that, again, it's a satellite of some sort. Could we be witnessing something from, the age of them actually putting this planet together and then putting it in orbit? Maybe they had some sort of technology. My point is that it might be something before our time that we're looking at and not necessarily attributed to our work, but it's curious nonetheless. This is really, really awesome.